Alright, welcome back once again. In our last video, we tackled image 6. Today, we'll be handling image 7. So, let's get straight to work. Alright, so a lot of people try to use a lot of guidelines, right? Try to keep it as clean as possible. So I prefer using the image itself, the drawing itself, sorry, to guide me to get other parts. I'll just show that to you in a while. So right from the start, let's start with the circles. 5.6. So that's what I'm doing right now. Instead of drawing center lines to draw two sets of circles here and draw two sets, I simply have a universal center that I use to get everything. To address, to clean it up a bit, yeah, so that I don't get confused. This is just to assist my trim so that I have the lines exactly on the center of the circles there. Alright, let's go on. Next we have a line at the base that is 7 units in length and 8 units from the center. So simply we draw a line 3.5 to the left and 3.5 to the right. We select the two lines, press J to join them. We have our line. We have a line with 7 units. We move it down. It is by 8 units. Press enter. There you have it. Then it goes up. Let's just take it. Alright. So we are connecting these. The guidelines are there to assist you. Now, this is an interesting part. For the upper circle, we use something we call tan radius. radius circle, where we select 2 tangent, one here, one here. Then we put the radius of the circle 12. And there you have it. Use stream, clear. Okay. And then for the edges, we use fillet radius 2 for the end. Yes. Press enter to just repeat the same command. Enter again. Since we are changing radius, we have to make the changes. Radius 1 for the lower side. Easy for us. Select this line. Okay, let's input the distance. Since it's 3 from both sides, from one end to end is 3, and it's the center line is dividing it, so that will be 1.5 from each side. Then from the bottom it's 2 units like this, and from there to center is 3.5. that means to the top would be 7 units, and then we trim. Fillets